In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or connect another calendar in Google Calendar on your mobile device. Whether you're juggling personal commitments or trying to keep up with professional meetings, combining calendars from multiple Google accounts can streamline your schedule and help you stay organized. Let's dive into how you can easily add another Google account to your Google Calendar app on your smartphone. To begin, open the Google Calendar app on your smartphone. It's the one with that familiar icon featuring a calendar page, and if it's not already installed, make sure to download it from your app store first. Once you're in the app, look for the menu icon in the top left corner. This icon usually looks like three horizontal lines and is sometimes referred to as the hamburger menu. Tap on this menu icon to expand your options. Scrolling down through the list, you'll come across Settings. Tap on Settings to access more detailed options. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to locate Manage Accounts. It might be listed towards the bottom, so scroll until you find it. Once you've tapped on Manage Accounts, you'll see the option to Add Account. Select this and you'll be prompted to sign in with the Google account you wish to add. This might be another personal account, a work account, or perhaps a shared family account. Now that you're on the sign-in screen, enter your Google account login credentials. If you have your details saved in your phone's autofill settings, this part will be swift. If not, make sure you have your password handy. After signing in, your accounts will start syncing, but be patient as this might take a moment. Once your account is successfully added and synced, go back to the main screen of the app. Again, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. This time under the section labeled Your Calendars, you'll see that the calendars from your newly added account have appeared alongside those from your original account. You'll have a list, and you can select which calendars to display by checking or unchecking the boxes next to each one. It's a good idea to review these options to ensure you only see the events that are most pertinent to your current view. By doing this, you ensure that your calendar view is as helpful as possible, allowing you to keep everything in one place and remove the hassle of toggling between different apps or accounts. So there you have it, you've successfully added another Google account to your Google Calendar app on your mobile. Now you're ready to navigate your busy life with a clearer, more organized overview of all your commitments.